Welcome to Taronga Zoo. This is the Zoo of Sydney, and right now I'm in the Sky Safari. It's a cable car that's taking me all the way up to the top of the zoo. I've already been here a few hours since I've seen the bird show.
Oh, beautifully caught, Stellar. Well done. These are incredibly widespread birds, not only found here in Australia, but found throughout Europe and Africa as well. And in numbers up to 1,000 occasionally, riding around on the winds just like she is, looking absolutely elegant. Fraser Crane, thank you very much. Now, they are incredibly graceful birds down on the ground, and a lot of it's because of those long legs. They help them out with lots of things, including, believe it or not, dancing. They'll dance for several reasons. One of them is defending their territory. Another is attracting a mate. But they're not just useful for dancing. As you can see, they're also pretty good out in the water, looking around for things like frogs, tadpoles, even the good old yabbies on the menu. And if you look, you notice he's got that red patch on the back of the head. Well, that's Fraser's way of letting everybody know that he's an adult. It's his way of also saying to the girls out there he's ready to find himself a girlfriend. Yeah, that's one more thing having sexy long legs is good for, too. So good luck on your quest, Fraser. We'll see you later, buddy. Things like sparrows and starlings are on the menu, but so are bigger birds. Conning crocodiles, kookaburras, even something as big as a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Here she comes. Now these amazing predators find their prey by using those great, big, beautiful yellow eyes. Those eyes are enormous. They take up almost their entire skull. If our eyes were as big as theirs, believe it or not, they'd be the size of softballs. So try and imagine having two big softball-sized eyes in your head. Scream there. Imagine having two big softball-sized eyes in your head. It's not going to leave a lot of room left over for much of anything else. Beautifully done, Leslie. Yeah, she's pretty impressive, isn't she? They'll take high perches or soar high in the air while they're out there looking for their food. Usually it's a carcass of something. Anything as small as, I don't know, maybe cattle, as big as a whale that's washed up on the beach, believe it or not. They're incredibly important birds for keeping the environment healthy and disease-free. But unfortunately, she's a little wound up today, isn't she? Unfortunately, a lot of people don't think they're very cool birds. They think they're kind of ugly, and most of that has to do with that food there. Most of it has to do with that bald head, but that's what helps to keep her healthy and disease-free. If she had a head covered in feathers, whenever she pulled it out of a carcass, she'd pull out all sorts of debris along with it, cause her to end up getting sick. As you can see, she's quite handy down there on the ground as well, and that helps her out when she's out there. Yeah, you can go that way this time. There you go. Speeds can reach nearly 400 kilometers an hour, believe it or not. Now, Khan's not going anywhere close to that fast, but he is still pretty quick. And you can see just how hard it would be if you were a bird to stay away from this ferocious little predator. Now these birds are found all over the world, not just here in Australia. Found on every continent except Antarctica, as a matter of fact. It's a bit too cold down there. Ah, you got it on that one. Well done, buddy. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Comes in to claim its pride.
And I've seen the Sealshow.
And head first. You see, this way spines and scales don't get stuck in their throat and they can fill up very fast on the go. Now, Mitchie is our largest seal here at Seal Theatre. He weighs in at over 200 kilos. And while he doesn't spend too much time chewing, he does have a great set of teeth, so you'd also expect him to have a very lovely smile. And eating 10 kilos of fish per day. Well, what's your breath like with all that fish? Yeah, a little bit stinky. Good boy. Jokes aside, those seals do need to keep themselves well groomed. And it's a pretty simple behaviour because they have 3 claws or nails in that hind flipper, good boy Mitchie, that can reach almost every part of their body. Now their strong front flippers, they also come in handy for grooming as well, because you see they're big, they're soft and they're strong, and after a fishy meal they always come in handy as a face wash. Good boy, yeah, you can give him a clap, he's doing a great job.
1, 2, 3. Here she comes. Well done, everyone. Please give our volunteer a big round of applause. You did a great job and he didn't get wet. So thank you very much. And well done, Lexi. Give her a second to finish that squid. That was a big one, wasn't it, Lexi? So as Lexi and Mitchie have shown us, seals are perfectly designed for their natural environment, the water.
And also a little bit of penguin talk. And just look at that view you have of Sydney from here. And we have the elephants down there. And it's an amazing zoo. I haven't been to many zoos, but this is I don't know. It's very big, and there's of course then a lot of animals here. Just this ride is pretty cool. Just to sit here and fly over the zoo. It takes about 2.5 minutes.